Breaking news, guys. Breaking news. Orlando Pirates Football Club have just announced the signing of Siphumbule, the talented midfielder, attacking midfielder Siphumbule. So Orlando Pirates have acquired his services. Of course, Siphumbule this past season was with Mamelodi Sundowns, but he was loaned out to Sekhukhune United for the duration of the season, the 2024-2025 season at Sekhukhune United. So upon the expiry of his contract at Mamelodi Sundowns decided against renewing his contract, therefore making Siphumbule a free agent, meaning he was available. And we know he was linked with Kaiser Chiefs, was heavily linked with Kaiser Chiefs, even with his agent, Mike McCabe, coming out to say that he has indeed recommended Siphumbule